Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can enable dark mode on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to enable dark theme in TikTok, first of all make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once you have made sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, just launch the TikTok app and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen and you will come to this page. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then simply go to settings and privacy. From the settings and privacy, you want to scroll down a bit further and go to the option called display. Then once you tap on this display option, to turn on dark mode you can say light and dark, so you can simply tap on dark option to turn on dark mode. Now if you want to use your device settings, you can also choose to use your device settings if you want to, but you can just do it manually from here as well. And this way you'll be able to turn on dark mode or enable dark mode on TikTok. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.